Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if you're coming across an issue on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer that Windows has restarted your GPU driver due to a problem, driver upgrade, or physical removal. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to right click on a taskbar. So dito lang sa ating taskbar and dito sa blank space area, so kailangan mo lang mag right click and select mo lang dito yung task manager. So dito lang sa task manager and dito sa processes tab, so ang gagawin natin dito is to select those applications with high CPU resources usage ang gagawin natin. Okay, so select mo lang ganito and then kailangan mo lang mag right click and select mo lang dito yung end task. Okay, so click mo lang tong end task and then wait natin. Right, so after dito sa task manager and next step or next solution na pwede natin gawin, so close lang natin yan. So dito lang ulit sa start menu, so kailangan mo lang mag right click and select mo lang dito yung device manager. So dito sa device manager, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung display adapters. So kailangan mo lang i-click tong arrow na yan and then dito sa kanyang driver ay kailangan lang natin yan i-update. Okay, so select mo lang ganyan, right click and select mo lang dito yung update driver and pop up tong dalawang options na search automatically for drivers or browse my computer for drivers. And then next step ay itap mo lang tong search automatically. So click mo lang yan. And then makikita mo na dito na the best drivers for your device are already installed. Okay, so after dito, so close lang natin tong device manager. And dito lang si start menu at kailangan lang natin mag-restart. Okay, so click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to fix Windows has restarted your GPU driver due to a problem. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.